because it's gonna be a long video. Now, secondly, it's gonna throw you for a loop, but I had a couple Q&As come in because there's a few people that are interested. You know what? Let's not get into that way because that's gonna censor the hell out of this. Let's talk a little bit. He and I were talking about earlier nutrition, and he kept going back to you got to be outside. You got to live. You got to get grounded. We walk past a pool. Have you been in your pool yet? No. It's a catastrophe. So, speak on that for a second.
All right.
Please.
So, most of the stuff I'm going to spew out is all coming from Dr. Jack Kruse. Please go look him up because he's the authority on the protocols that I've been understanding. Your health is based on a lot of environmental factors: light, water, magnetism. Think of light as the sun, water in both what you drink, and being in cold water, and magnetism as the energy both in your body and in the earth. So, most important things that I do that are not food-based is sunrise, sunrise, sunrise. If there was only one thing you could do to improve your health, it is to get up, go outside, and watch the sun rise. When you start understanding that how we function on a cellular level is fundamentally not that different from every other species, both plant and animal, and all of those species live where? Outside. And what controls everything? The sun. Then you start to understand how powerful the sun is. And in fact, the sun controls every single process in your body. All your hormones, all of that's controlled by the sun. And it is most important to kickstart that, your circadian rhythm, by seeing the sun rise. That's what tells your body to start producing melatonin, which is known as the sleep hormone, even though that's released at night. So, long story short, the sun has different color temperatures throughout the day. Think of it as brightness. Unfortunately, all cell phones, TV screens are set to a blue lit back screen, which is the same as noon. So if you wake up and look at your phone, you just told your brain that it's noon, it's not 6 a.m., and that creates chaos. Long story short, chaos is the precursor for almost all diseases. So when you get up and see the sun, now the body knows how to self-regulate and produce everything that it's supposed to. And if you can sample the sun wirelessly, here we all know about wireless technology with our phone, but photons are beamed down from the sun and penetrate the eye to the brain and also through the skin through opsins, then you can just live a very optimal life by spending time outside. The cold baths, that's kind of a little more complicated story, but submersing your body in cold water is probably the easiest way to do it. 55 degrees or lower. Look up Wim Hof and all the amazing things he's doing. Long story short, if you realize your electrons in your bodies operate like a semiconductor, think about a machine. It overheats, you cool it down, it performs better. If you can go into cold water, you'll produce infrared heat in your cells. You're going to shrink the distance between respiratory proteins. Long story short, you will function more optimally on a cellular level by doing ice baths. The science is complicated, the takeaways are easy. Go outside, swim in a little cold water, eat grass-fed beef,
have fun,
and spend time with people you like.
Yeah, we were making this video, and it's about what, 50 degrees?
Probably. I could cut glass
easy, and I was going to leave my clothes on, and he versed me on how important these light rays are, as well as noon and everything else. So now